Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the dynamic lock to automatically lock Windows 11 PC. So let's start. Now this video will be really quick, so definitely write down below in the comments if it helped you. So when other people would come here, they'll be like, okay, it's actually helpful. Go to bottom, next to the search is going to be start, right click on start, under task manager is going to be settings. Then in settings under app is going to be accounts. And then you're going to see sign in options under email account. And then right here you want to scroll down below and you're going to see dynamic lock and allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. So that's pretty much it how we do it. And this is how you can turn on or turn off the dynamic lock to automatically lock Windows 11 PC. Thank you very much guys, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.